Hello, welcome to CompXM 2024, 2025 top 10 winning tips for round 3. The details guide and tip for round 3 to get top result I show you now. So for round 3 we have just updated 8 products to get the top sale and profit. You can see the result of round 2. Here we have the top sale here. You see very high sales and very high profit here. We get the 40% of market share. Our stock price go down in here but up in round 3 back to 80, 90 and 120 in round 4. So we invest in round 1 and 2 and get the top result in round 3 and 4 here. We already have the high stock price here, right? And also have top sales and profit here. Okay, and now we take the R&D decision and marketing decision. We reduce the price by 50 cents and use a strong promotion and sale to get up top sale and top profit. Calculate the sale forecast here based on the unit we sold from last round here and the inventories. For production, we set the production schedule here, and also we buy more capacity for needed products and increase automation to 10 for the treat, 8 for the core, and 6 for the nano and elite. For the HR, we still use a strong HR 5,080 hours to get the top workforce. And for finance, so we pay some small dividend. We don't need the stock issue this round. We just actually we just need 62,000 of long-term debt to maintain the enough cash for operation. And for the TQM we use 1,000. You can customize a little bit, around 1,000 is okay. And you see round 3 we will have very high sales here and 46% of contribution margin, and we go up much higher than all the competitor with 64 million of profit. So that's overview for round 3. Again, never don't copy the number. You can learn the strategy, use the strategies, and then use customize the number for your game, because CompXM is exam different from student to student. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com to get the free support for our 1 and quiz 1. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.